What's up, guys? Crypto Trader Mitch. I had a viewer ask about Bitcoin Cash in a comment on a previous video, and it actually led me to take a look at it because I've just been holding one Bitcoin Cash, and I'm just going to hold it for the long term. I mean, just to have exposure to it, and I'm free rolling it anyway from when I got it from the hard fork. So I figure rather have exposure to it, considering it really cost me nothing out of pocket. If it does make any kind of move, as far as what I think of it in terms of the long term, I really don't have an opinion. Obviously, it does function better than traditional Bitcoin, but who knows if it'll end up making headway or not. Really, I just want to look at the technical aspect of the price chart and go from there. So I don't know. A lot of people are kind of talking about Bitcoin Cash is dead, or all it's doing has been going down ever since it got added to Coinbase. But if you look at the chart that I have up here, really it's not doing anything unexpected. So quite a while back, I touched on it in a video, and I drew this ascending channel. So this has been here for a while. I just extended the lines a few moments ago to get us into the new price action because they ended somewhere around here, I think, from when I did it a month and a half ago. But anyway, as you can see, we were in this clean ascending channel, and then all of a sudden, boom, we went parabolic, on the Coinbase action, and then it's pulled back. Look where it bounced. It bounces off the top line of this channel, and then comes back down, essentially fails, comes back into the channel, and then it bounced, and look where it failed. You got these upper wicks, boom, couldn't hold it, closed just below the line, did it again, came down, bounced, and look at today's candle, same thing. So this isn't even poor price action. I mean, all this did was revert back to the mean, so to speak, and come back to the ascending channel it was in, basically the clean uptrend channel, and it's actually the top end of it. So I mean, we could see Bitcoin Cash pull back even to 2,000, and it would still be in an uptrend. So again, I'm just holding the one coin I have, and ideally it stays in this channel and over the course of the time keeps grinding higher. But we could see it pull even back to 2,000. Who knows if it gets some kind of catches some kind of bid for some reason? It could obviously push out of this uptrend channel again. But for now, I mean, that's all I'm keeping an eye on in regard to Bitcoin Cash. I think best case scenario is it just stays in this channel, and then as time goes on, this line goes higher and higher. So we could go sideways, we can pull back to 2,000, but if it stays in this channel, eventually it's going to be back at 2,500 and then push higher and higher and higher as time goes by, as each month goes by. So I'm fine with that because, like I said, I'm just holding the one coin I have. I'm free rolling anyway. Anyone who's trading it, that's a different story. Obviously, this, struggling here, you're getting what right now looks like a reversal candle, although there is, what do we have? A good 5-6 hours left still on this candle for the daily candle to close. But based on this, most likely the odds show that it's going to push down towards the bottom of the channel. But again, that's all probabilities. That's the way trading works. So do what's right for you. Make your own decisions. Like I said, I'm just holding my one coin and hopefully riding this channel. And ideally, I'd like to see it stay in this channel for the next 8 months, and then I can sell it up. Who knows? At that point, where would we be? 4,200, 4,500. I don't know. Anyway, if you want to learn how I go about essentially finding price points and drawing lines and support and resistance and using those for targets, you can check out the crypto trading program I created. It is 3 short videos under the Scaredy Cat Guide brand, and I will drop a link to that in the notes and share a slide with you showing what's in that course. All right, thanks. Okay, so here's what we're going to cover in the course. I made it as efficient as possible for you because I want you to get started as soon as possible. I mean, the volatility in this market is just awesome. It's just prime for the taking, and the sooner you get started, the better. So in video number 1, we're going to discuss support and resistance. I'm going to show you how to spot it and essentially how we use it for profit targets and also to find entry levels. So we'll go over the definitions of that. We'll look at some charting examples, and that'll set you up to review some charts on your own because you kind of need to train your eye a little bit to recognize them, but it's not hard. It's a tiny bit of practice. Boom, you'll be spotting them left and right. Then in video number 2, we're going to talk about candlestick patterns. I'm focusing on one pattern in particular because for me in crypto, it's been my highest percentage pattern, and I love the fact that it has very clear defined entry and exits, and it's called a U-turn reversal pattern. So we'll cover that in video 2, and then in video 3, we're going to talk about looking at multiple time frames. So this is how we use larger time frames to find the momentum and the trend in a crypto, and then how we go down to a smaller time frame to find the trading entries and the profit targets. And it's that simple. I mean, it doesn't need to be rocket science. So 3 short videos gets you going. So grab the course, get rolling, and start pulling profits out of this market.